Ready to give your rig a fresh, fierce look in minutes? Let's install your MEK Magnet Trail Armor. Step 1. Give that ride a quick, clean, wipe off dirt, dust, and trail trophies. Next, grab your MEK panels and line them up with the matching spots on your vehicle, like puzzle pieces, but way cooler. Press each piece firmly from one edge to the other. Smooth it out as you go. You got this. Need to readjust? No worries. Just peel, realign, and press again. Double check those edges and reapply any spots that need extra love. Boom! Just like that, you're trail ready and stylin'. MEK Magnet, built for the bold.